Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a quick video going over some of the platforms and resources that I use as a trader every single day. So buckle up, let's go ahead and jump into this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through some of the sites and different things that I use on a day-to-day basis in my trading. So the first one that I want to show you is, of course, TradingView.com. Now, this is what I use to do my charting. What I mean by charting is, things like drawing up support and resistance levels and looking at trends and looking at moving averages and things like that to try and get an idea of market direction and to make trading decisions based on technical analysis. I'm using TradingView.com. So TradingView.com is a free tool that you can use out there. By the way, most of the things that I'm going to be talking about today are completely free to use. And so this one again is really nice because what it does is it allows me to look at any different chart I'd like. I can go up to the search bar here up in the top right. For example, maybe I want to take a look at the pound against the dollar, right? I just type in GBP USD. It's going to give me the option to actually look at the chart here and get an idea of what's going on with the Great British Pound against the US dollar. And from here I can do my charting. For example, if I want to use Fibonacci retracements, there's all sorts of different tools you can see over here on the left-hand side that you can play around with and use in your trading. You can actually even set up theoretical short and long positions. For example, if I were to take a short position, I could set up a theoretical one here and actually go set the trades up in my broker, right? So that would be one option. Now, sometimes people will ask me how I'm able to actually, if you watch my videos for a while, you'll see that I actually take real trades and show them on YouTube here on my actual TradingView account. I'm not logged into my trading panel right now, but I will show you how you can do that. So there are some brokers here that are available to actually be integrated with TradingView, which means that you could trade directly on TradingView, whether with a demo account or a real account. You can actually do paper trading on TradingView, which is a great way to practice your skills before actually putting your money on the line. Now, in terms of brokers, you have all sorts of different ones. I personally use OANDA, but I will say this. I'm in the United States and there are a lot of broker limitations here in the US. I think that you could probably consider all your different options out there. Especially if you're outside of the US, there may be some better broker options available to you. Now, what I've done is down below in the description of this video, I've linked some brokers that may be a better fit for you. So what I want you to do is if you're looking for a broker, if you're looking for a better broker, if you're looking for something that is more suitable to your trading needs, there will be links down below in the description to check out things like the brokers that we have recommended down below. So what I would do if I were you, if you're looking for a broker, is check those links down below, sign up with those, and if you do use those, they actually do help the channel. They're affiliate links, meaning that we get some form of a commission if you choose to sign up. You don't have to, of course, but if you do choose to do that, if you're a newer trader and you're looking for a broker, it would help us out here sharing free content on YouTube. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you guys, of course, TradingView is great because you have all these different charting platforms. You can look at any different currency pair or thing that you would like. You can draw trend lines. You can draw moving averages by adding indicators, comparing things. TradingView is really probably the best charting platform out there. Now, of course, another thing that I use is Metatrader 4. Now, Metatrader 4, depending on what broker you are using, some brokers will be able to integrate with TradingView and others will not. If you are not using a broker that, basically if you're using a broker that cannot integrate with TradingView, you may be using Metatrader 4, which is great itself, and most brokers will offer this. So what you're going to need before you do any sort of charting on Metatrader is you're going to need to sign up with a broker, whatever that broker may be, whether you use the ones that are linked down below in the description or not. Most of them will offer Metatrader 4, and you're not going to just download Metatrader 4. You need to download the broker version of Metatrader, or your broker's version of Metatrader 4, which should be available somewhere on their website. They make it pretty easy to find, but just downloading Metatrader is not going to get you where you need to be. You need to download your broker specific version of Metatrader. So for example, I have Hugo's Way downloaded here, their version of Metatrader downloaded so that I can integrate with Hugo's Way. So that is an option as well. The next thing I want to show you, of course, is the A1 trend scanner. So I am a trend trader, so I am constantly using the A1 trend scanner, which is a tool that our team put together, developed for Metatrader 4. So if you're using Metatrader 4 and you are interested in using this tool, what this thing does is it basically helps find trend trading setups that are occurring in the markets on any time frame. So for example, let's see if we can find something here. You can see here's USD CAD. For example, USD CAD is starting to trend up. It's saying, hey, there might be a buy signal. What about pound yen? Not super interesting. CAD Swiss kind of changing directions here. But here's one, Aussie yen, right? So this one is trending to the downside. You can see the moving average is sort of trending back the other way. And this tool here is printing a sell signal. So I actually use this on a daily basis to go find setups in the market. And this will also be linked down below in the description if you would like to get a copy of the A1 trend scanner. Again, something that is available on our website for download. I'll put the link down below in the description. Okay, so on to the next thing that I use. The next one, of course, is our website. So a1trading.com. We have put together a whole list of things that might be helpful to you to use. Now, I want to encourage you, if you have not yet been to a1trading.com, our website, go to this site and bookmark it, because we've put together a ton of free things here for you. You can join our newsletter if you would like to, see the trade ideas and alerts being sent out by our analysts. We also have things like articles being put up on the latest developments in the markets. Something came out with Ethereum and Bitcoin today. Frank wrote about gold earlier on in the week. And of course, you can also check out some of our tools here on the site. Here is the COT data, for example. We can take a look at this. This is going to show us, if you're not familiar with COT, it is the Commitment of Traders report, and it's a weekly publication that shows the aggregate holdings of different participants in the US futures market. Now that's a lot of words, but what it really means is basically it will show us what institutional traders are doing in markets. So for example, we could go take a look at gold here and see that the latest data, if we could scroll down here, take a look at, for example, the non-commercial data, you can see, bam, we've got a slow increase in the demand of gold over the last several weeks. That may be information that you want to look at, because you might say, okay, well, the big players are buying gold. Maybe I want to consider the long side of gold as well. So again, COT report data available on our website completely for free. And then also you have things, we go back to the homepage for a second. You can take a look at other things. We have a lot size calculator. If you're struggling with finding the right risk management settings, you could use the lot size calculator. You can also look at the currency heat map, which will show you which currencies are moving the most per day or each day, right? So you can see, for example, today, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar are really in the down. They're selling off today. So that might be information that you could use, especially if you're like an intraday trader and you're looking for opportunities on those lower time frames. You can look at all the different currencies crossed against one another, or at least the major currencies. So that is another free tool. Again, check out the site. You can spend plenty of time just going through all the different stuff that we have. You can check out our trading software. You could join our community if you're not already and you're looking for a community of traders to join. That is available on the front page of the site. And again, you can find brokers on the site. So we have tons of free resources, as well as some paid ones as well on our website, a1trading.com. Next up is forexfactory.com. This one should be a big helpful tool for you if you are looking to make sure you are paying attention to the upcoming news occurring in the Forex market. So forexfactory.com, what this will do is it will basically show you, you can go here and you can scan for the most pressing news coming up in the Forex market. Well, why will that matter? If you've spent any time watching the charts when it comes to trading, sometimes things are chugging along and all of a sudden you just get these crazy candles that start coming in. And that is usually in response to big news dropping in the foreign exchange market. Now, a lot of these events are actually foreseeable in the terms of knowing that they're coming. For example, all of these red folders, you could have known the time of day, which day they were going to come out, and position yourself accordingly. Maybe if you're intraday trading, you want to avoid trading during these times or close your positions before the news event happens. Again, just the more you know, this will hopefully keep you out of the way of really big news spikes that could come your direction and go for or against you, you may want to educate yourself on that. So again, you can go here to forexfactory.com and use that site to find out more information about upcoming news events. Finally, Trading Economics is another site that's pretty nice for news, as well as some of the different interest rate, inflation rate, jobless rate, sort of breaks it down by category, which may be a helpful tool for you as well. So again, this is tradingeconomics.com. So with that said, guys, those are the main resources that I personally use in my trading. I find them very, very helpful, very convenient. And again, a lot of them can be found on our website, forexfactory.com, tradingeconomics.com, and tradingview.com. So I hope this was helpful to you. I know that as a newer trader, there's a lot of different places to look, a lot of different things to be paying attention to, but these resources and tools will hopefully get you started in the right direction. So with that said, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you back in the next video. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching today's video. There are more videos available on our channel here and here, so go ahead and click into that for some more free trading content. With that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you back next time.